Are you tired of your Gumroad earnings sitting in limbo? Learn how to add a payout method in under 2 minutes. We'll go from the dashboard to entering your bank details and personal info. Follow these 15 simple steps. First, head over to your Gumroad dashboard. Then, click on the Dashboard button. Now, open the drop-down menu. Then, click on Settings and select Payments from the list. You'll need to type your name exactly as it appears on your bank account. Now, enter the routing number for your bank. Then, type in your account number. Choose Business or Individual. Next, choose the business or individual type once more. Now, enter your personal details in the provided fields. Then, fill in your details again in the next section. Go ahead and type your birthday. Now, enter the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Finally, click Done to complete the process. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.